SUPCASE sent us their Unicorn Beetle iPhone 17 Pro Max case so we can show you the features and let you know our thoughts. This is the color coral, and as you can see, it does still have a clear back to show off your phone, but it does have the coral accents in the kickstand and in the airbags and buttons. So that's really nice. Let's go ahead and put the case on the dummy device that they sent us so we can show you what it looks like on and how easy it is to get on your phone. So here it is on the phone. As you can see, I just popped it on real easy. And the first thing you'll notice is that these airbags on every corner are designed to protect your phone and your screen from when you drop it. Everybody drops their phone, you're going to do it. And this is just to protect it and your screen from breaking. It is job tested. It also has a kickstand, as you can see here. The kickstand does not rotate, so it is one solid piece. However, you can use your phone in portrait and in landscape with the kickstand. Also, if you like to take selfies, like I do, just stick your fingers through that ring to prevent you from accidentally dropping it that way as well. You're going to see that the camera is protected by this little layer or lip that goes all the way around it. So if you're going to have your phone on the table, the phone case will be sitting on the lip so your cameras will not get damaged. There also is a lip on the front of the phone to protect your screen. If you lay it face down on anything, that will be protecting your screen as well. So again, I really love the colors. It does have the camera control access button there, and all the desired buttons match up. You also have a cover for your charging port to protect it from any debris or dust getting inside there as well. So we love SUPCASE and would highly recommend this case for your iPhone 17.